Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pond0x. Ticker symbol is PNDC. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Pond0x is being listed August 7th, 11 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and then search PNDC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So the name of the token is Pond0x or Pond0x. So it's listed with two different names in different places. Now you can follow their Twitter is at Pond0x on Twitter. This token here is on the Ethereum blockchain. So right now, they're doing very well. They have 10,236 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 35,545,680,478,000 tokens. So it seems it's probably a deflationary token since it's got a weird number like that. Probably started out as a higher number. Maybe they did some burning, things like that. But we'll review the tokenomics here in a second. So their Twitter is doing very well as well. They have 22,900 Twitter followers, and they just joined in May 2023. It says Pond0x, ticker symbol PNDC. Mining claims are live, and that is in their pinned tweet. And then they have the verified contract address. And it says T-minus 48 hours, and that was from 2 days ago. So mining claims are most likely live right now, and their official webpage is listed on their pinned tweet as well, Pond0x.com. And if you go over to Pond0x.com, that's where you're gonna find most of the information on this token here. Now, in the MEXC Global announcement, they're gonna have some info over there as well. It says here, Pond0x is a meme coin on Ethereum. So actually there is not much information on MEXC Global, but that's what it says right there. It's a meme coin on Ethereum. That's all the info they're giving you. Now, on their webpage, it says, let's see here, there is, you can actually connect your wallet right to the page, and mine, claim, or spawn are 3 different options that you can click on there. And it's got terms, privacy. There's a section, it says messages. This is very much a meme coin here. So if I click on, most of the info is probably not on their webpage. This looks like just a page where you can claim your mined tokens here. So most likely they have links to other things on their socials. Now they only have 39 tweets so far here. And it says here, PNDC has just crossed over 10,000 on-chain holders. Congratulations to all the miners and those who are early. So it's not like they sold tons of tokens prior to this and did extremely well on Uniswap. It looks like people acquired the tokens through mining, a lot of them. So it says, on its first full day of trading on Uniswap, Pond0x is the top token besides Ethereum and stablecoins. Current 24-hour volume is over $33 million, and this is just the beginning. So mining claims will end in a few hours, it says. It says they've already processed 12,200 successful claim transactions. Congratulations to all the miners of Pond0x. So basically, yeah, it seems like most of the people acquired their tokens that way. So it says also within 24 hours, they acquired their first central exchange listings, which is MEXC Global. It says, we have just deployed a site upgrade that will allow users who had multiple mining transactions in the same block to complete their remaining claims, and that is on their webpage that I mentioned earlier. Users are reporting that Pond0x has been successfully implemented on Trust Wallet. So if you are using a Trust Wallet or a decentralized wallet, things like that, it is now visible on Trust Wallet, so you don't have to add custom token, which a lot of people don't know how to do and is annoying. They also got listed on CoinMarketCap. There's a new announcement for that on here, and it says, using a desktop browser and version of MetaMask is a good alternative to claiming the tokens. If you have problems claiming your mined tokens, it says desktop MetaMask might be the way to go. So just if that's why you're clicking on this video because you had problems with that, that's in one of their tweets there. Now, if we go over to CoinMarketCap, this token is up 98% today, and it says there it's got their market cap. All these things are on here. Fully diluted market cap. You can see the charts, all these different things on CoinMarketCap. Now, it looks like this token is available on Uniswap and SushiSwap. If you're looking to get this token, you can get it off both of those there. Now, I don't like the way they changed CoinMarketCap, how it pops up now. I prefer using CoinGecko just because it's so weird. 24-hour trading volume for this token is up 11,585% right now. $32.9 million trading volume, it says. And besides that, they only have a website and Twitter. They do have their block explorer listed on here. But yeah, not tons of info on this token yet. It's just very much their 39 tweets. And then the scarce information on CoinMarketCap, MEXC Global, and their webpage there. So self-reported circulating supply, 22.55 trillion PNDCs. And fully diluted market cap right now is $43.61 million. But yeah, go check this token out. It gets a brand new listing on MEXC Global as of August 11th, 11 o'clock UTC time. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. If you want to help support the channel, you can check out all the referral codes down there. Definitely check out that MEXC Global one. And you can hit the join button or support on Patreon as well. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.